guys, this floor is coming out fantastic. Check this out. Check the pattern, baby. Woo, it's looking really good. I love it, I love it. The problem is, I don't have enough to do the whole entire floor. Luckily, I did contact a rep that is able to sell to us. She does have a few boxes on hand, so hopefully be the right colors for this brick. If not, we'll have to blend them in. So I don't know how that's gonna work, but either way, we always find a way. We're gonna keep going until we get it done. All right, guys, I got about an extra 200 pieces of brick. Not the exact ones we wanted to get, but they are very close. This is what we have existing on the floor. This is the Camden. This is what we picked up. I'd say it's a pretty close match. This is the Franklin. Check the look on that. I think it's a pretty close, actually, it's reversed, I'm sorry. But look how close that is. I'm gonna go with it. We're gonna keep this ball rolling. Nani is here! Nani is here to save the day. So Nani, do you want to help out?
Yep.
So what you can do is take this mud, be on the outside.
Concrete?
Well, this is mud. Well, that's not mud, it's thin sitting wood. Just like that, okay? Easier for you saying it would be over here, what do you think? There you go. Perfect, there you go. Yes.
Do I turn it back?
You can if you want. No, that's it. Put an angle, on an angle, like this. There you go. See the teeth marks on there? That's what you want. All right, now come back. There you go. There you go. On an angle, on an angle. So you get the grooves, the big teeth marks. You want like that. See the teeth marks right there? That's what you want. There, yes, yes.
Want to help, Julie? Yeah. Come on. Greg, Julian wants us to help too. So basically, Juliana, I know what to do. Well, you can tell me. Just get some bricks and lay them down. They don't have to be perfect because we're gonna put the stuff in later.
All right, guys, so here we are. The girls are doing the tile job for me. I don't have to lift a finger. I'm loving it. What do you guys think? You guys are bossing this. What's your job, Julie?
So what I'm doing is I have to put these spacers inside of them. And if I don't know if they're dry or not dry, I go like this, just to see. And then and if there's some mat on the brick, I just go whoop.
Wipe it right off.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I only got a few more bricks to go. I don't have much left. Only what's in this bucket here. So we definitely need more tile. I lost the bed again. So now I'm gonna incorporate something else. We're gonna go out and start refinishing the patio furniture and get that started. Let's go to the next project. All right, guys, we are outside getting ready to sand the outdoor patio furniture. You guys ready?
Yes. So I've been having this patio furniture for about 2 years now, and we were gonna buy new furniture, but I decided since I have this, we can just stain it sand it and stain it, right guys?
Yeah.
And save us some pennies.
That's true.
So we're gonna have all the kids working with us to get this done much faster.
Let's get
started!
So I just gotta clean it off, and then we're gonna be putting the aged bourbon by Czar. They're the best. So we don't need to go crazy sanding because we know that the cover up is real with that. And it's an interior oil base, and we're using it because obviously this is gonna be going and staying inside.
Mommy.
Aww, thank you, baby. I can't hold because my hands are dirty, but hold it for mommy, okay?
Oh, your hands dirty?
Yeah, but thank you.
Oh, you mean you wash your hands?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you painting?
I'm staining.
Painting?
What are you doing there?
Yeah, Daddy.
You got a flower for me? Oh, you got a flower for mommy. I thought that was for mommy.
Okay.
Yeah, I got stain on my hands.
Oh, you Gracie, what happened?
She's like, just somebody take them.
Thank you, Gracie.
You're welcome.
You, Gracie Plantain.
Slam dunk, baby! Slam dunk! We're done! Woo! Yeah. All right, guys, we got the furniture done, and now we're getting ready to prep this room here. Let's go. Got the patio furniture complete and done. It looks fantastic. Thank you, Czar, for the stain. And my wife is back there. What do you think?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. We got the painting done. Woo, woo. Looking good, looking good. We got the floors to do. Catch up on next week. Hopefully, what else you got to say, hon?
I'm just gonna be enjoying that 2-hour massage because these floors didn't get done this week. So hurry up, sign up.